Hello. In the previous video you saw what the problem will be with else if characters, else if function, else if statement. Now to avoid that we must make use of logical operators. Now what are logical operators? We'll see it now here. If r is greater than 10, I'll erase this whole program. If in the previous program how many even had given 3 or more conditions, only 2 printf statements were been printing. To avoid that, now what I have to do is how to write logical operators. If condition, double open the bracket twice, if r is greater than 10, and so how to write and in C is double ampersand. So this is what the logical operator is. There are 3 logical operators: and or and not. So in this program we'll do only with and r is less than 1 and r is greater than 1 and less than 35. I'll write how to close it again. Here the if condition, here r greater than 1 ampersand double ampersand, that is, and if r is less than 35, what to do is no semicolon, remember. Printf fail. Now one more, else if, one more bracket, else if r is greater than 35, close the bracket, double ampersand, one more, r is less than 50, printf pass class. Now one more, else if, one more bracket, r is greater than 50, close the bracket, double ampersand, and r less than 60, close one more bracket, printf second class, semicolon. For printf statement semicolon will be there, for else if it won't be there. Else finally, final statement, printf first class. So we'll compile it, no errors. Error, what is the error? Symbol and a printf in them. Here I have done a spelling mistake, print. I have not written t here, so because of that it was an error. Printf, now I'll run it. Percentage, I'll give it as 45, pass class. So now exactly it will show which class it will be, because first the compiler will check this condition. It checks the condition if r is greater than 1, and also it checks this condition. So you can understand that a compiler will check couple of conditions in a single if statement. So that is the use of double ampersand operators. So this is very easy to understand. So I'll run it once again and I'll print 77 first class. So here all the statements will be executed. it will check this statement. If this is false, it will directly come to this, and even if it will check this and this. So this is how the else if and logical operators are used. I think now it is completely clear for you guys, the use of if statements. Now we'll after the completing of if statements, now we can enter into loops. So in the next video I'll be starting with loops. Thanks for watching this.